NASA's rover sent a photograph back to the Earth in the year 2014 that showed a very odd shaped, a bit like a femur bone or a thigh bone from the Mars. Scientists explained that the unusual shape was most likely the product of erosion by the wind or water. This takes to the possibility of fossilized alien remains on the Mars. Let's look into the details of this. 2014 picture from the Mars has been resurfaced in the internet, which shows a femur or the thigh bone which has been identified on the Mars. Like all such photos till date, the object you see is just a plain old Mars rock, and the NASA has also confirmed it as 6 years before. The image was taken using the rover's camera on 14th of August 2014, and rapidly it spread among the conspiracy theorists as proof the Mars once harbored life. The scientists clearly explained that the unusual shape was most likely the product by the erosion by wind or water. The alien theorists have gotten a thrill from the bone-like object found on Mars. However, NASA has more plausible explanation for this. This all takes to get alien fanatics excited about the possibility of the fossilized alien remains on the Mars. However, the femur on the Mars is no more real. The NASA scientist says that the images of the odd objects can stir up the public imagination, and also they have given the statement life never existed on Mars, and scientists expect that it would be small simple life forms called microbes. Mars likely never had enough oxygen in its atmosphere and elsewhere to support more complex organisms. So large fossils in Mars are not likely to find. The thigh bone looking rock actually looks different from the regular human femur. It's rather straight, which only feeds the imagination when it comes to an alien anatomy.